everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you some yarn I got, and I can't wait to share it with you. So, what could it be? What could it be? Let's get it out of the crinkle bag and give Pusheen the crinkle bag. He likes the crinkle of the plastic, so you're going to hear the crinkles. Sorry. So this comes from Mace of Skeins. Mace of Skeins did a collaboration with Limon Crochets. And here it is. Oh man, there it is. Ah, that is gorgeous. Yep, there's Pusheen playing with the plastic. So there's the yarn. It is gorgeous. This is on her Spade DK. 75% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 25% nylon, and there's 245 yards, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So, whoop, yep, we'll take the one. We'll slide it off and let you get a gander at these colors, and look at how beautiful that is. That is absolutely stunning. Look at those colors. Absolutely gorgeous. Love that. It is gorgeous. I will link Mace of Skeins down below. And of course, I will link Limon down below as well. And she always puts in something else. So, along with, you get a thank you card, and she tossed in some tea, and that sounds really good, fruity black tea, and a Mace of Skeins sticker. And while you are purchasing the Limon yarn, you get a sticker. Why am I'm holding it upside down? There it is. Mace of Skeins and Limon Crochets. That is a cool sticker. So that's really cool. I like that. So go over to Mace of Skeins and check out her yarns and check these out. These are amazeballs. I really like these. These are so cool. They are amazeballs. Boy, I really slid that in. There they are. These are really cool. I love the colors. They say spring to me. Summer, spring, lemon and lime with some orange up in there. It just looks good to me. Very citrusy looking. But yeah, I like those. I think they're gorgeous actually. So I hope you enjoyed seeing that. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, say hey to Pusheen, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.